Hello guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change page size in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your page size in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application, and after that just simply tap into that plus icon, and from here you will get to see this custom size option at the top. Just simply select that option, and from here you can easily change your page size. You just simply have to put the desired page size. I'm putting the 720 for the width and 1080 for the height, and you can also change the unit from here. Then after that just simply click to create new design and your custom page will be created. This way you can easily change the page size and create it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.